Yes, once again, very good morning to all of you. Students, today we will start our chapter of social science. Yes, we are the coastal plains and the islands. This is our sixth chapter. Before reading the chapter, let's discuss few new things of this chapter. First is island. What is island? A land area surrounded by water on all sides. एक ऐसा लैंड एरिया जो चारों तरफ से जिसके पानी पानी होता है. ओके, अ लैंड एरिया सराउंडेड बाय वाटर ऑन ऑल साइड्स. और पेनिनसुला क्या होता है? अ लैंड एरिया सराउंडेड बाय वाटर फ्रॉम थ्री साइड्स. ओके, पेनिनसुला इज अ लैंड एरिया सराउंडेड बाय वाटर ऑन थ्री साइड्स. An island is a land area surrounded by water on all sides. Next is beach. A sandy stretch of coastal area formed by sea waves. Sea waves से जो सी के आसपास का एरिया जो सी वेव्स लहरों से आता है, जो सैंड स्ट्रेच होती है, रेत आती है, उससे जो वो एरिया है बनता है, उसे बोलते हैं बीच. नॉर्मली हम कौन से एरिया को बीच बोलते हैं? सी के आसपास का जो एरिया होता है, सैंडी एरिया. ओके. लगून, द सोल्ट वाटर लेक मोस्टली लाइंग पैरेलल टू द कोस्ट. एक ऐसी लेक जिसका वाटर सॉल्टी होता है, नमकीन होता है. दैट लेक मोस्टली लाइंग पैरेलल टू द कोस्ट. कोरल, द स्मॉल सी क्रिएचर, सी में रहने वाले जो क्रिएचर्स हैं, उनके डेड पार्ट्स जो हैं, रिमेन्स जो हैं उनके, विच टेक हार्ड एंड कलरफुल शेप्स, जो हार्ड और कलरफुल शेप ले लेते हैं, उन्हें बोलते हैं कोरल. ओके. यस. नाउ व्हाट इज कोस्टल एरिया? यू हैव रेड द डेफिनेशन ऑफ आइलैंड. कोस्टल क्या होते हैं? द एरियाज near the water bodies. They are the coastal areas. Okay. Now look at the gear up part. Name the product with which this picture is associated. Very simple. This picture is associated with Amul butter. आपने ad भी देखी होगी टीवी पे. This is picture of Amul butter. Let's start reading of this chapter. The Deccan Plateau of India is surrounded by coastal plains in the west and east. The Deccan Plateau of India. In the last chapter, you have read about the Deccan Plateau. Yes, dear students, I am going to mark. This is the portion of Deccan Plateau. Sorry. You can see that triangular part is the part of Deccan Plateau, and this is surrounded by coastal plains in the west direction and in the east also. The western coastal plains lie between Arabian Sea and the Western Ghats. जो western coastal plains हैं, they lie. कहाँ lie करते हैं? They lie between, you can see on the map also, they lie between the Arabian Sea and the Western Ghats. And the eastern coastal plains lie between the eastern coastal plains and Bay of Bengal. Okay, you can see on the map also, the western coastal plains lie between the Arabian Sea and Western Ghats, and the eastern coastal plains lie between the Eastern Ghats and Bay of Bengal. These two coastal areas, coastal plains means the areas near the water bodies. From one side, you can see there is Arabian Sea, another side Bay of Bengal, and in the south, there is Indian Ocean. These two coastal plains, they meet at Kanyakumari, which is the main southern part of the mainland of India. Okay, again, I am repeating that portion. Deccan Plateau of India, it is surrounded by coastal plains in the west and the east. Okay, western coastal plains, they lie between the Arabian Sea and Western Ghats. And the eastern coastal plains, they lie between the Eastern Ghats and Bay of Bengal. These two coastal plains, they meet at Kanyakumari, which is the southernmost tip of the mainland of India. Is it clear, I think? Yes. Next is the western coastal plains. First of all, we will read about western coastal plains. The western coastal plains, they extend from Rann of Kutch in Gujarat to Kerala in the south. Western coastal plains जो हैं वो Rann of Kutch गुजरात में है. कहाँ से कहाँ तक extend है वो? Kerala in south. And the average width is about 65 kilometer. पर इनकी width कितनी है? चौड़ाई कितनी है? 65 kilometers. These coastal plains can be divided into 3 parts. ये जो coastal plains हैं, western coastal plains, they can be divided into 3 parts. And these 3 parts are, the extreme northern part is called the Gujarat coast. गुजरात से start हो रहे हैं western coastal plains. जो extreme northern part है गुजरात का, उसे गुजरात coast बोलते हैं. Then middle part, beach वाले part को Konkan coast, and the southern part is called the Malabar coast. Wait, let me show you on the map. Yes, you can see Malabar coast, Konkan coast, and Gujarat coast. Okay. Yes, these are the 3 parts of western coastal plains. Now, most of the rivers coming from the Western Ghats are short and swift. Maximum जो rivers है coming from the Western Ghats, they are short, but swift, fast है वो. The Malabar coast in Kerala is well known for lagoons, or you can say backwaters. जो Malabar coast है Kerala में, it is well known for lagoons, or backwater भी बोलते हैं इसे. What is lagoon? You have read about lagoon in new terms also. The lagoon is a salt water lake, mostly lying parallel to the coast. The backwaters are locally called kayals. We can say these backwaters, these lagoons, kayals also. And Vembanad is the largest backwater in Kerala. Vembanad जो है वो केरला में largest backwater है. Largest Kyle, you can, we read about the western coastal plains which lie between the Arabian Sea and Gujarat to Kerala in the south. The average width of these coastal plains, western coastal plains, is 65 kilometers, and they can be divided into 3 parts. First part is Gujarat coast, and the middle part is Konkan coast, and the last southern part is Malabar coast. Okay. Now we will read about eastern coastal plains. The eastern coastal plains extend from West Bengal in the north to Tamil Nadu in the south. जो ईस्टर्न कोस्टल प्लेन्स है वो कहाँ से कहाँ तक हैं स्ट्रेच हुए हुए? From West Bengal in the north to Tamil Nadu in the south. Western coastal plains from Gujarat to Kerala, Tamil Nadu, and both of them meet at Kanyakumari in the south. The average width is about 120 kilometers. Average width of western coastal plain is 65 kilometers and average width of eastern coastal plains is 120 kilometers. That means eastern coastal plains are wider than the western coastal plains. The eastern coastal plains can be divided into 3 parts, whereas the western plains divided into 3 parts, but these are divided into 2 parts. The northern part along West Bengal and Odisha is called Northern Sarkars. जो नॉर्दर्न पार्ट है वेस्ट बंगाल और ओडिशा का उसे बोलते हैं नॉर्दर्न सरकार एंड द सदर्न पार्ट अलोंग आंध्र प्रदेश एंड तमिलनाडु इज कॉल्ड कोरोमंडल कोस्ट. लेट मी शो यू दीज टू पार्ट्स ऑन द मैप. जस्ट वेट. Yes. Coromandel Coast and Northern Sarkars. You can see these are the 2 parts, Coromandel Coast and Northern Sarkar. Yes, dear students, the eastern coastal plains are formed by alluvium. They are formed by alluvium brought by Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri rivers. The eastern coastal plains, they are formed. कैसे बने वो? They are formed by alluvium. Alluvium is the deposit of clay, silt and sand. ये सब चीजें जो rivers हैं वो अपने साथ बहा कर लेकर आती हैं. And this deposit of clay, sand and silt is called alluvium. These rivers have formed deltas along the eastern coastal plains. ये जो rivers हैं इन्होंने delta बनाया वो है कहाँ पर? Eastern coastal plains पे. And this region is very fertile because of alluvium. Okay, students, we have read about western coastal plains and eastern coastal plains. Western coastal plains stretch from Rann of Kutch in Gujarat to Kerala in the south, whereas eastern coastal plains stretch from West Bengal in the north to Tamil Nadu in the south, and both these plains meet at Kanyakumari in the south. ये दोनों जो coastal plains हैं western और eastern, ये दोनों कहाँ पर मिलते हैं? कन्याकुमारी में. Okay, the western coastal plains can be divided into 3 parts: Gujarat coast, Konkan coast, Malabar coast. Whereas eastern coastal plains, it can be divided into 2 parts: Northern Sarkars and Coromandel coast. Okay. Next is the Indian island groups. You have read the definition of island. Island is a land area surrounded by water from all sides. Okay. The Indian island groups. The 2 main groups of islands are the Andaman and Nicobar Islands in the Bay of Bengal and the Lakshadweep in the Arabian Sea. 2 main groups of islands. In India, they are Andaman and Nicobar Islands. You can see Andaman and Nicobar Islands in the Bay of Bengal and Lakshadweep in the Arabian Sea. These 2 main groups of islands are there in India. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands have two groups, such as Andamans in the north and Nicobar in the south. ये जो अंडमान और निकोबार आइलैंड है, इन्हें भी टू ग्रुप्स में डिवाइड किया गया है. इनका जो नॉर्दर्न पार्ट है वो है अंडमान एंड जो सदर्न पार्ट है दैट इज कॉल्ड निकोबार. मोस्ट ऑफ द आइलैंड्स आर हिली. स्मॉल हिल्स हैं इन आइलैंड्स पे. They are about 1,200 किलोमीटर अवे फ्रॉम कोलकाता एंड चेन्नई. कोलकाता और चेन्नई से इनका जो डिस्टेंस है वो कितना है? 1,200 किलोमीटर. एंड पोर्ट ब्लेयर इज द कैपिटल सिटी. द सदर्न मोस्ट of India is called the Indira Point. You have read this in the previous chapters also. The southernmost tip of India is Indira Point and the southernmost tip of mainland of India is Kanyakumari. The cellular jail is in Port Blair. Cellular jail, very popular jail. It is in Port Blair, which is the capital city. Port Blair is the capital city and cellular jail is in Port Blair. These islands are covered with thick forest. In islands with thick forests हैं, that you can see in the picture also. घने जंगल ही जंगल है यहाँ पर. The Lakshadweep group is about 200 kilometer to 500 kilometer away from the Malabar coast. जो लक्षद्वीप है in Arabian Sea, that is 200 to 500 kilometer from Malabar coast of Kerala. केरला में जो मालाबार कोस्ट है उससे लक्षद्वीप ग्रुप का डिस्टेंस कितना है? 200 to 500 kilometer. It is the smallest union territory. Lakshadweep is the smallest union territory and its capital city is Kavaratti. These islands are of coral region. ये किस चीज से बने हुए हैं? कोरल रीजन. यहाँ पर बहुत है कोरल origin. Coral, we have read about coral in new terms also. Coral is the remain. These are the remains of small sea creatures which take hard and colorful shapes. Okay, and they have no hills and streams. In islands पे hills नहीं है, पहाड़ियां नहीं है और streams छोटी छोटी नदियां नहीं है. Minicoy is the largest island in this group. लक्षद्वीप ग्रुप में लार्जेस्ट आइलैंड कौन सा है? मिनिकॉय. फिशिंग इज द मेन ऑक्यूपेशन एंड कोकोनट इज द मेन क्रॉप ऑफ दिस आइलैंड. Yes, dear students, I am going to repeat this part. We have read about the Indian island groups. Two main island groups are Andaman and Nicobar in Bay of Bengal and Lakshadweep in the Arabian Sea. Andaman and Nicobar also they have two groups. Andaman जो है वो northern part है, Nicobar is in the south. Most of the islands they are hilly. Okay, and चेन्नई और कोलकाता से इनका डिस्टेंस कितना है? About 1200 kilometer and Port Blair is the capital city. And what about the Lakshadweep group? It is about 200 to 500 kilometer away from the Malabar coast. Smallest union territory and its capital city is Kavaratti. Okay, Minicoy is the largest island in this group. Fishing is the main occupation and coconut is the main crop grown here. Okay. Yes. Next, we are going to read about the life of people in the coastal plains. Coastal plains में रहने वाले लोगों की लाइफ कैसी है? ओके, उनके प्रोफेशंस क्या हैं, क्या काम करते हैं वहां पर वो, उनका ड्रेसअप कैसा है, कौन से फेस्टिवल सेलिब्रेट करते हैं, लैंग्वेजेस कौन सी बोलते हैं. ओके, वी विल रीड अबाउट all these things one by one. Life of people in the coastal plains. The coastal plains are spread over the states of Gujarat. जो वेस्टर्न कोस्टल प्लेन्स है वो गुजरात से शुरू होते हैं. गुजरात, महाराष्ट्र, गोवा, कर्नाटका, केरला. ओके, ये सब स्टेट्स जो हैं वो वेस्टर्न कोस्टल प्लेन्स की हैं. देन तमिलनाडु, आंध्र प्रदेश, ओडिशा एंड वेस्ट बंगाल. These states are of eastern coastal plains. The Union Territories of Daman and Diu, Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Puducherry are also along these coastal plains of India. Yes, students, first of all, we will read about Gujarat state, which is in western coastal plains. Gujarat. Gandhinagar is the capital city. गुजरात की कैपिटल क्या है? गांधीनगर. But Ahmedabad is the largest city in Gujarat. Capital city is Gandhinagar, but the largest city of Gujarat is Ahmedabad. Narmada, Tapi and Sabarmati river flow through this state. Which rivers flow through this state? Narmada, Tapi and Sabarmati rivers. Most of the people are either farmers or traders in Gujarat. Traders means businessmen. Most of the people, they do farming or business in Gujarat. The main crops grown here are wheat, jawar, bajra, pulses, groundnut, sugarcane and cotton. The main crops grown in Gujarat are wheat, jawar, bajra, pulses, groundnut, sugarcane and cotton. Dairy farming has developed in and around Anand. Anand is a place in Gujarat. It's the name of a place. Dairy farming means जहाँ मिल्क प्रोडक्शन होता है, जहाँ पर मिल्क से बनने वाले और प्रोडक्ट्स तैयार किए जाते हैं, लाइक बटर, ओके, कर्ड, ये सब चीजें. Dairy farming has developed in and around Anand. The Amul products, Amul सबने आपने नाम सुना होगा. The Amul products are known in the whole country. I hope you have seen the ad of Amul also on your TV. Common salt is made by drying up the sea water in the coastal areas. Common salt, नमक कैसे बनाया जाता है? सी वाटर, कोस्टल एरियाज पे जो सी वाटर के पानी को ड्राई करके, सुखा के नमक बनाया जाता है. Petroleum has been discovered in the Cambay region. Ahmedabad and Surat have many textile mills. अहमदाबाद और सूरत में बहुत सारी टेक्सटाइल मिल्स मीन कपड़ों की मिल हैं, which produce cotton and synthetic clothes. These textile mills produce cotton and synthetic clothes. Surat is known for diamond cutting. Diamond is a stone which is used in making jewelry. Okay, Surat is known for diamond cutting. Surat is also a place in Gujarat. The Gir National Park is natural home to Asiatic lions. गिर नेशनल पार्क में एशियाटिक लॉयंस रहते हैं. नेशनल पार्क, व्हाट इज नेशनल पार्क? वेयर वाइल्ड एनिमल्स आर केप्ट टू प्रोटेक्ट देम फ्रॉम हंटिंग. नेशनल पार्क्स जो हैं वो गवर्नमेंट ने बनाए हुए हैं जहाँ पर वाइल्ड एनिमल्स को रखा जाता है ताकि उन्हें हंटिंग से, शिकार से बचाया जा सके. और जो गुजरात में गिर नेशनल पार्क है वहां पर एशियाटिक लॉयंस रहते हैं. People speak Gujarati, Sindhi and Hindi language in Gujarat. Men like wear chudidar pajama and kurti, while women wear sarees or colorful lehenga. Garba and Dandiya, these are the popular folk dances of Gujarat. Again, we see Gandhinagar is the capital city of Gujarat, but Ahmedabad is the largest city. And the rivers flow through these states are Narmada, Tapi and Sabarmati. Here people do farming or they are traders also. And the main crops grown in Gujarat are wheat, jowar, bajra, pulses, groundnut, sugarcane, cotton, etc. Dairy farming has been developed in and around Anand, and the Amul products are well known in the whole country. अमूल प्रोडक्ट्स का जो प्रोडक्शन है वो कहाँ होता है? गुजरात में. कॉमन सॉल्ट इज मेड बाय ड्राइंग अप द सी वाटर. कॉमन सॉल्ट नमक बनाया जाता है कोस्टल एरियाज के पास सी वाटर को ड्राई करके सुखाकर. पेट्रोलियम हैज बीन डिस्कवर्ड इन द कैम्बे रीजन. Ahmedabad and Surat. These two cities have textile mills. Number of textile mills are there which produce cotton and synthetic clothes. Surat is also well known for diamond cutting. Diamond is a stone. And the Gir National Park is natural home to Asiatic lions. National Park is a park where wild animals are kept to protect them from hunting. Okay. People speak Gujarati, Sindhi and Hindi language. Men like to wear chudidar pajama and kurti, while women wear saris or colorful lehengas. Garba and Dandiya are popular folk dances of Gujarat. Students, we will read till here today. In our next lecture, we will complete this chapter. Students, now we are going to unmute all of you